Here's a new 2024 Mitsubishi Outlander. This Outlander is the family-friendly crossover utility vehicle waiting to hit the trail with a perfect balance of power, performance, and an unforgettable ride. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Inline 4-cylinder engine, dual-zone climate control, integrated navigation system with voice activation, front and rear parking sensors, front heated bucket seats, inductive device charging, streaming audio, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, smart device remote engine start, and steering assist cruise control. Get into something different. Mitsubishi has what you're looking for. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.